Introduction, Price, Specifications Review. The star feature of the Mi 8 Explorer Edition is the in-display fingerprint scanner. The sensor is about the same size as a regular fingerprint scanner, just that it is located under the screen. A user can simply press their finger to unlock the device. Vivo X21 is another smartphone that comes with an in-display fingerprint scanner and has recently gone on sale in India. The Mi 8 Explorer Edition is also the first Android smartphone to use 3D face recognition technology, similar to the iPhone X's Face ID. It uses a dot projector to accurately and a flood illuminator to accurately recognize the face. Plus, the Mi 8 Explorer Edition has a translucent back that shows off the internal hardware of the smartphone. Xiaomi Mi 8 Explorer Edition comes with a Snapdragon 845 processor, 8GB RAM and 128GB of internal storage. The device is priced at 3,699 yuan, which is approximately Rs 39,000. Unlike the Mi 8, Xiaomi Mi 8 Explorer Edition will only come in one variant. There is no 6GB RAM or 256GB storage version in the Mi 8 Explorer variant. This phone will run MIUI 10 based on Android Oreo. It also has Bluetooth 5.0, a 3400 mAh battery. The Mi 8 Explorer Edition has a 12MP plus 12MP rear camera with a telephoto and wide-angle lens setup like the regular variant of the phone. The front camera is 20MP, though the notch in the Explorer Edition is packed with other hardware like dot projector, flood illuminator, to support the 3D face unlock. The phone has NFC as well. The display size remains 6.2 inches with Full HD Plus resolution, which is 2248 by 1080 pixels.